Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This may be a very small light bulb, but it definitely makes a big difference. This 10 by 40 millimeter light bulb is an LED light, and this is a replacement bulb for car interiors for the dome light or map light. So this is a really essential little light bulb that can definitely come in handy. So we were looking for a light bulb that we could use in a older model Dodge truck, and this was the perfect thing. And not only did it fit perfectly and it works super well, it is very, very bright and does an awesome job of lighting up the space when we need it. And it's awesome to be able to find something that works even for an older model vehicle. So if you need some of these replacement bulbs for your vehicle, I would definitely recommend these from Grandview. They are easy to install, works really, really well, and is a major upgrade to the brightness factor in our truck. And that's my point of view.